Testing, testing. All right, okay. I'm back. So I want to try a little toy project. So I want to make an app that can generate music and also the music sheet. And then the main goal would be for like training, maybe sight reading. Let's put some music in. Okay. So I set up some basic stuff here where it hooks into the MIDI protocol. It's able to send notes on, note off. It's able to generate a name based on like the old GitCat service. And then yeah, so I also started, but not finished, doing some Lily Pond templates. Oh, while I'm at it, let's add .mid and then .pdf. All right, now I can save this, and then it compiles a little score. Too loud? True. Hello? All right. Yeah, I kind of put that a bit. Hey, by the way, welcome, Jay Rins. Okay. Hey, not my fault. This music goes hard. Okay, so what am I doing? So the first step is I added a library that I need to test really fast. This Kriben. So it's a. Oh, am I getting? What's going on? My voice? Okay, oh, is it badly connected? All right. 1, 2. Am I? What's going on? I'm getting my sound in like mono, I think. What is this? Oh, you have, is that? Pod friend? Okay, no, I thought that was someone's emote. Okay. Skurban, okay, so I need to relearn how to import a text file into an app. I forgot how to do it. I had code to do it before, and I forgot which project I did it. Anyway, it should take 2 seconds. So I want to be able to import this as text. And then my templating engine is going to be able to replace the various variables. And then eventually it's going to be able to also fill in the notes. Okay, file read text looks good enough. I'll put it down here for now. What is this? Oh, the constructor. Fair enough. What is run? I coded this I probably almost 10 years ago. And then okay, so run gets called. Okay. It gets called once. Okay, I see. So anyway, let's just code it badly first and then I'll fix it after. Might as well write it like that. Data bond template. So I can do file.read. Apparently you did this. Can I just do a relative link like this? Okay, and this probably needs to be imported. Perfect. And then what was the name of this library? Scriben. Sorry about this sound, it's really annoying. I never did fix my sound issues. Is that it then? So I can do, I guess it's, okay, you use it like that. So template.parse, I get my string, and then I can fill in. Okay, parse liquid. I need to ask someone that's a pro with sound where to figure out why is there static. Okay, so I can parse like this, and now this doesn't become a text just yet. Let's just do, okay, this, render into new, and then what did I called it, name? Oh, and then I can capitalize this, nice. Like that. And then can I save it back into a file? Dang, I can't fix it. Okay. It's not perfect, but whatever. So I get this, feed it the name. There's no other like strings like this, right, in this? Perfect. Perfect. Okay, then I get the path. Let's do that. And then the text. No, this shouldn't work because I don't think my paths are correct. Wait, it didn't crash? Oh, that's fun. So where did it get created then? Maybe in my C drive? It didn't get created. Oh, it's because I stop on this new line thing. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's why. I stopped the app before we reached this line. Okay. It still didn't work. Oh no, it might have. Oh, perfect. And then it gets created up here. Right here. And it works. Perfect. What's this? Oh yeah, fair. Well, if that works like that, then I should be. For now, I'll save it in here. Maybe I should put it into an output. Let's do an output like that. Do I need to create the file or is this fine? We'll see it. We'll test. Okay. And I guess I copy definition too. Definition. Is there something I want to like input in here? Not really. That looks fine. So I'll just do. It's kind of a waste, but it's whatever. Definitions.le, and then we'll do. It's not the proper way of doing this. And then definitions. So this gives me the string that gets put back into this output. Perfect. Oh, also, does this play sound? Oh, oops, I put it on the wrong one. What happened here? Okay, so it doesn't exist. I need to create it then. How do I do that? Maybe like this. File dot make create. Can I create a folder? I forgot how to do it. Really rusty. So what is this? Create directory. Directory.create. And what does this say? Unless they already exist. Perfect. Output. That should fix it. Does it play sound? I don't hear anything. It's playing right now. Is it playing on stream? It's not, right? weird. Does it not have a MIDI device? But it does have one. This should stop soon. Over and out. We heard nothing though. That sucks. Anyways, it created output with my stuff, and then if I generate this, I'll have my PDF with the name put there. That's perfect. Alright, so I got the basic boilerplate for generating music, and then also getting this. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Obviously this won't be there, but at least I have working code. Now we have this. Okay. Dang, it's annoying. Whatever. Okay. What was the add again? It's to escape string, right? Verbatim, string, or literal. I don't think I need that. Okay. So the first part is gonna be kind of boring. I just need to hook up stuff. So I coded this little note translator like a long time ago. I wonder when that was. 6 years ago. Alright, so play note. So I need a way. I guess I'll just do this right away. This right here should be right. It's not a node name, but it doesn't matter. And then left. They don't like it, but it's fine. Right and left. Okay. Oh, maybe I should keep it though. Output. I should I'll get rid of output. How do we do this again? Like this? Okay, perfect. Oh, I can also generate a name for it. While I'm at it, might as well hook that up. Title. Just title. Name. Hey, Tuk Tuk. How are you doing? What's up? Oh, so many things. How do we do this? What is this again? It's a constructor, so shouldn't I be able to use commas? Because I probably need to generate. So yeah, I'm learning accounting now. But like for this project, I'm creating a music composition software that is gonna generate music and also generate the music sheets. Bordeaux, nice. Change job. What, are you still in space? I mean, not but yeah, I'm learning accounting. I'm back in school. Like accounting, managing. Hyperspace, hybrid rockets, nice. So that hybrid, does that mean they're partly electrical? Hybrid for space. Hyperspace, that's a cool name. If it's electrical, it needs batteries, right? It must be like crazy. So probably reusable rockets, right? What was I up to? Right, I'm trying to generate the name. So generate title. Name would be author. Okay, so now let's run this. Now that I'm up here, let's just put that up there. Alright, what does this look like? Two technologies of rocket, solid and liquid. Solid fuel is for boosters. It can push at 100% for a continuous time, and liquid is more versatile. You can modulate the thrust, stop it, restart it, but it's way more expensive and complicated. Ah, okay, that's cool. Solid. So solid fuel is for boosters. Liquid oxidizers. So cool! Sorry, hi. Majestic jagged eyebrow. I'm using the GIFCat old way of generating names, though the library I'm using uses every noun instead of only animals. Anyway, so it generates a title for the music. The rule is adjective, noun. And then if I save that, did it not refresh? Yeah, I'm generating that. Pretty much. It's not exactly LaTeX, but it's based on it. It's lilypound.le. But historically, it was a LaTeX thing, and then it branched off into its own. You might have. Let's check that. Oops. Not that. Come on. It's this thing. So you can... Oh, what? I thought it would link to the source. Oh, it is there. So yeah, you can generate music, and this is like I believe German notation. It looks weird, but when you use it for a bit, it's really it's not really verbose. But why is this not getting regenerated? One sec. Compilation failed. What? Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's supposed to fail. For now, let's just... I forgot to fill in the left and right hand. Where is it? Here. Yeah, I meant to do that. Template. This for the right hand. Title. I'm hard coding everything for now. Right equals this, and then the left equals this. All right, run this. Okay, now it's filled in. Now this works. Now it gets regenerated. And I get a different title every time. You know what's cool? When I click on this, it brings me to the right spot. And also, I can do it the other way. What was the command again? Cursor, go to... Oops. You hear that, right? Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, and then when I do go to PDF from cursor, it does the other way too. You see it's highlighting it. Anyway, so now I have all the basic stuff hooked up. For now it will be hard-coded to like 4.4, whatever, and then... So my idea for this is you run the app, it generates Lilliput. Oh, and I guess I was gonna show you the basic stuff. So the way this is like what I use to generate my music sheets. I'll show you an example from my own compositions. So for example, here's a composition that I made. Maker. So it's not that verbose. So for here I have like groups of 4x4. So I write the notes here. So here that's a C2 because it takes two. It's a white note. Then E2. Then D2, B. Anyway, all like that. When there's like a bar like this here, I write it. Then the time changes. 6/4. I guess I'll use that. Okay, here. So you see, I changed to 6/4. So in general, once you have everything set up, it's really fast to write your music. So there's 6/4 here, then there's like the bar here. So it's a bit of syntax that you need to learn, but you can like use this syntax to group notes together. Or like if you want the line, you can just do this tiled. And then what I like is that since it's text, you can just copy paste this. Yeah, you kind of can, but I don't think the way I had it set up was working that well. So, but usually I can like have my piano on one side, know like which notes I'm using, and then write by a keyboard like this. Here's another one. This one looks pretty nice. Tuplets, yeah. I really like how this sound, and I had like other pianists play this, and they played it like really differently than the way I play it. Yeah, here, listen to this. I should have followed it. I'm kind of lost. This is MIDI, so it's using like my sound card, I guess. Oh, I did it like that. Oh yeah, then. Anyways. Obviously it sounds better if I played it, but I didn't set up my stuff to play the piano right now. Alright, so now I have Tesli, Coartem, basic boilerplate stuff. Okay, so step one would be to do random. Oh, also, I wonder if we can hear the. Okay, let's try one more thing. Device 0, we don't hear it, right? Oh, we do. Oh, so device 0 we hear on stream. All right. So all this does is it creates a MIDI device. It allows me to pick which one I want, and then it opens the thing. So it takes a grand piano, the program thing. So those are like all messages. So it's sending bytes, and then it creates play note. So this is sending an event type. So for example, a note on, or like the note off. Then there's also like velocity. For now I hard code to about half strength. This is how hard pretty much you press on the keys. And I have like a little I wonder if that's the best way to do it. This one plays the note, it waits 2 seconds, and then it stops pressing. Okay. Length 3 times 0. Okay. So now I want to generate random notes. Probably. Also, I wonder if I'm this 0 here timestamp works, or if it doesn't work. Oh yeah, I can send multiple notes like this. Let's do like this. Pitch +2, let's say. I'm not allowed to do +2. This is a byte. Do I have to cast to byte or something? No? Cast is redundant. How do you add? You can't, right? I'll just do this for now. So this should allow me to play 2 notes at the same time. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Lily Pound generator. I guess I need to put the code in there. Public class. Okay, I should have thought about my my structure. How do I? Now that I have these hooked up and I can have like text getting generated. Yeah, step B. Yeah, the timing's good. Oh, I can see this was written so long ago. I guess I didn't used to use interpolated strings. Might as well just do that right now. Come on. I can't do that? I can't write either. How do I escape? You have to do it twice. Like that. I should have 3. That's perfect. Is that how that works? I guess that works. Maybe the other version was more readable. Okay, what am I doing? I need to start by able. So to start, keep it simple. Only 1 note at a time. And then, so pitch. This is generating a note from 60 to 72. Then playing it 1 by 1. Let's start by doing a random. And then I also want to add it to a string and output it to the file. Pound generator. Yeah, so let's clean this really fast. Oh, I guess I was lazy. Okay. Lily Pound generator. Okay. Put it up here. Oh, not like that. I can't write. Okay. The word generator thing we only use once really. So let's create this. It can be private, that's fine. String title. That's fine. Okay, so title equals. We'll bring this over there. I don't think I need this for anything. Let's just do private. It's fine. Okay, generate title. Why is this wrong? True. Okay. Perfect. This I import. That's gone. Okay, generate newborn generator LG. Hold on to it. This whole thing can be moved down. Okay. Template. That's perfect. Almost there. Title isn't used for now. Okay. So now we have this thing, and then I'll create a new thing. Public. Oh shit. Do I generate it? Okay, I'll do it the lazy way first. Is that a good name, generate? Generate was fine. Why do I like this word so much? Whatever. Generate. Hey, peace. Thanks for stopping by. Man. I'll just call it save output. Then we'll have a string. Hey, nice. String left. Hey, thanks for subscribing. Save output, okay. This goes in there. Any pump template. Is that something I want to hold on to? I guess it's possible that I would generate multiple times. Oh, I guess, no, never mind. Yeah, so let's just do this. Like that. And then. Right. Left. Okay. This can be hard-coded, it's fine. I guess, do I hold on to the same? Whatever, I'll have to clean it up. This is, let's just hook up everything, get like the nodes getting output. Okay, so now I have the nodes. That's my list of nodes. And I can feed that into my translator. And that's a static class. So I can do get. I guess I can default to sharp for now. So that's pretty much the thing that generates my whole music. They're all like pre-computed, so that's fine. Let's do string right equals notes dot let's convert each note translator dot get sharp note, and I can give you the int. I guess in my case it's a byte. Pitch. Is that even the right name for it? Why is it wrong? Oh, I guess because I need to. So this gives me what? Of type A. But I need it as a string. Didn't I have this code somewhere else? I forgot. But I could do this, or I can't. String to bool. Oh, where is not this? Select. I'm really rusty, I guess. What's wrong? Okay, that works, but I don't want an array. I want a string that's separated by spaces. What was the thing? To string, that's not it. I guess I do to array, and then I can do like a string. I forgot. I needed to output as a string. Join. String dot join. So this is an array of string. And then the separator is just a space. That's a char. Like that. It's wrong. True. Hey. Okay, so I get right. I'll do left equals just nothing. And then that can be saved. Save output. Right, left. Is this gonna work? So for now, this is hard-coded. Oh! Okay. Does it work? Oof. What's wrong with this? A bug? This one is bugged. It added a... Oh, because I'm not in absolute mode. Is that... Absolute? It's wrong? I forgot how to do that. Is that because I don't need to do this? Where are all my notes? Why is it only doing the first one? Should I get rid of this? Okay, that's better. So how do I set the base note? I coded this such a long time ago. Oh, there was an error. This music is not that. Oh, it's working. Okay, it's working. So what does it mean? Let's see. If I add this, I believe this should be better. So how do I fix that? If the note is smaller than middles. So wait, it's starting at 60. This is saying 60. How do I, wait. Okay, so I need to add this if note is higher than that. So I believe middle C should be 60. Note minus that. So this becomes... Oh, am I outputting relative notes? This should be 60 minus 60, which is 0. This becomes 0. middle C is 60. Am I wrong? Wait. There's a 4. Let's start here. I think I call this lower C, middle C, and I put this at 58, 60. Oh no, not 58, 48. Okay, that generates something. Okay. Why was there one PDF? So that looks good, and it's working. Nice. And then it did add the second. Okay, perfect. You know, I wonder if I should always work in absolute mode, even when I'm doing it. Maybe not. Maybe it would be easier. It's easier to know if a note will shift up or shift down. Okay. It should also work with flats. Generate title. Nice. And then if I play this, perfect. Can I call this function? I need to call. So lily pound. I need this to call. So now it output process dot start, and then we'll call it on test.le, and I guess I can give that should work. Can I give it like the working there? Arguments. Okay, Let's just try it like that for now. So let's clear this. Delete. No! Cannot find... It cannot find the lily pound. Why not? It's not loading my path. How do I use the system path? Like, I want to assume the lily pound is installed. Call, let's say... environment path. Sorry, I'm only reading docs real fast. So how do I do? Wait, I can use shell execute. Start info. So I can use the file name. Okay. So I'll do new process start info. And then this I can use arguments. So wait, this is, so I do comma like that. That works. And then can I do something with shell execute? Not quite. So I'll call it command. Okay. Was there a better way of doing this? I forgot. Can't I use like these brackets or something? But like use like that. What is this? I can use, yeah, sure, whatever. Might as well put it in here. I can't? And string? True. So I'll just use process start info then. Okay, does this work? Oh, did it work? It put it in the wrong place, but it worked. Did it? Yeah, it did, because I have the PDFs. Incredible. So, but I need to have this. Can I use, is there a thing in here to have the path of the working directory? Environment. Where is it? Working directory. Yes. So working equals output. If I do that, I think I can get rid of this. Okay, does this work? So cool. Now I just need to hide the console. But let's see how this works. Oh. That's so cool. Okay. Hide. Can I hide the console? Oops, wrong key. Use shell execute. And then how do I hide? Let's see. Probably this. Process. Windows style. Is that a thing? Is there a process in here? Windows style? Process Windows style. Hidden. I need to create it, I guess. Or what is this? Enum. Okay, perfect. Process. What? I can't do it. That's this. Public. A Windows style. Style equals. Alright, it's a process Windows style that hidden. That hopefully works. That worked. Okay, so my output is here. Okay, now let's see it work in live. Here, get sharp note name. Put that on the side. We'll see this update. 0. And it works. Okay, perfect. So now I can run the app, have the music sheet. I'm starting to wonder, do I even care about a sound output? Or do I only care about the music sheet? Having no sound output would actually make my life easier. And I still get a MIDI file output from Lilypound. So, because I made an app similar to this like maybe 10 years ago. And it would play music live. And you could let it run forever and it would not stop playing. It would just like keep generating new notes. But I think for this one, I care more about the music sheet. Where like the main goal is to generate music at the skill level of the person that asks for, like, let's say you're a beginner, then you generate some really easy music. And then if you get better, then you can start adding like more notation. I mean, if I decide to just care about music sheet, I can get rid of all the MIDI. Which was kind of fun. So let's see what I did. I added that. Also, why do I need to do... Why did I have to... Couldn't I have recoded it so I didn't need to change the values? Let's try something. Let's go down from like 0 maybe. I don't think it matters. All the way to 100. Let's generate that. Let's open that here because it's more fun like that. Ooh. So that's 100 note. Oh wow. It does look like it's not working though. It's bugged. Okay. I don't need to generate so many to know that it's bugged. Let's go up to like 40, all the way to like 80. Is it not bugged? blind. Wait, what? One, two, three, four. So that's the same as this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there a limit? No way, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's just C with 2 and C with 1. C with 3. B. C. So that. But why would it? When I reach those notes here, it's fine. But the notes that are low are not fine. What? I should probably just recode this. Essentially, the goal is to take a note, figure out what's the name of that note, and then add commas or apostrophes to raise it or lower it. So at least the note, this part seems fine. Octave. 12. Is 12 wrong? There's no way, right? I guess it's because it's not starting necessarily from C. This one has the same amount of apostrophes as the next one, while this one has one too much. And let's say I put it back to this. Okay, it's still a bug. Yeah, I think I should just recode this really fast from scratch. Do I need these values? So 60. Middle C is that, but it's written. Okay, so if I put 60, so in reality, what's the name of the C? C would be C 48. Middle C 60. And is there a name for this? Do I need lower C, or can't I just figure it out with... Let's just do middle C like that. So by default, the note... So let's say I get 6, so I'm doing absolute note. So if I pass 48, I'll just call this C, and let's put this to 48, whatever. Oops. Okay. So if you do that minus 48, you want 0. So 48 minus 48 is 0. Then absolute value. Why do I do that? It's gonna be positive. Okay, and then this, is it lower than C? Higher than C? Yeah, this thing is a bit suspicious, right? I shouldn't need to do that. The code should be simpler. I don't like this absolute note either. I guess it's a way... I guess it's fine that... Okay, so octave range 12. So you start from like, let's say 0 all the way to 12. So 0 all the way to 1. And then it's rounding. Oh, is the rounding the issue then? Yeah, it should not be AB. essentially this is doing like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then ABS doesn't work for negative numbers. You want to use floor, right? Floor divided by that, and then you can ABS. Oh, did I do it right? But the floor. Can't write. That's an int. You don't like that? True. Might as well move that there. Does it fix the bug? Okay, then this is... That works. No more bugs? Now, should I move back to middle C and then add a minus? Let's do it. Middle C is 60. And then here, minus octave range. Middle C. I believe I need that also. It adds an extra minus. Does it matter? Not really. I just need to make sure these don't move. It did move. That's not good. Why did they move? Is it because of this? Or should I have kept this there? Let's give that a try. And then just to make sure I'm doing this correctly, let's generate from, let's say, 48, 36, then 48, 60, 72, 84. Let's try this. Okay, it didn't work. Why? Whole thing is messed up. Where Where did I mess it up? This node is supposed... Okay, wait. C all the way to B. There's 3 commas. Let's just do this first. Code is not too hard, but I'm not using my brain. It almost works, it's still glitched. Okay, fine, I'll use my brain then. So I have 60. If I'm like at 48, 48 minus 60 is a negative number. You need it to be 0. Oh, because I need to do a plus. Is it right? So 48 minus that plus octave range. Okay. So now this. So 48 minus 60 plus 12 is 0. And then middle C, if you're smaller than 48, add commas. If you're bigger or equal, add that. Should be better now. Okay, it's almost better. So positive numbers are better, I think. Negative numbers are wrong. So the node +1. Is that because... Okay, so wait, let's think again. Let's start at 48. So those are the ones that are... Okay, 48. It's 1 octave lower than middle C, which appears fine all the way up to B. B is here, perfect. And then it's that and that. So the positive ones are fine. The negative ones are wrong. And I wonder if it's because of this +1. So it dropped by 12. So this adds 1 too many, I believe. Does it work? So this is going down. So 1 octave lower than the C below middle C. Then all the way up to the next C. Is that 12 node? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's good. So I don't think there's a bug now. Okay, that's awesome. All the way. So now it works. Also, I think the code is looking better slightly, maybe. Did I never test this code? Weird. The node name. And this should still work if I do get flat nodes. Let's just not trust myself and test. That seems fine. All the way to the middle C, so 1, 2, middle C. Then it goes 1 octave up. All the way to the next C. And then all the way up to the next C up here. Perfect. Alright. So do I get rid of the play? Yeah, maybe I do. So what is this? What did I change again? So this generates the Lillipond, assumes that the Lillipond is in the path. Perfect. Should I hook the year 2? Might as well. That is static. Year. Right. Year equal date times now that year. Cool. Why do you not like that? What? Infer name? I'm kind of against that, to be. Yeah, I mean, I get it, but no thanks. Alright. This, I probably shouldn't put that. It's whatever. So it's still working. Perfect. Anything else I want to hook up? Okay, so that's pretty good stuff. So yeah, I think I should get rid of the MIDI output. Even though that was fun. Now that I think I'll just limit it to only music sheets. And then just trust that Lilliput does the MIDI for me. It will simplify the code base. Everything is gone. Let's just do a .NET restore. No more need for that. Disposable, not required now. No more need for velocity either. I mean, maybe later, but this can become an int. So that's nice. What is this? Cool, cool. Do I need two array, or can I just do the join like that? It works, perfect. Nice little lambda magic. Should I do left, right instead? Okay. I'll take a slightly small break for a sec. I'll be right back. I came back. Oops, what did I do? Oh, I committed bad code, rip. We don't need this anymore. Alright, so that's kind of hype. Oops. Okay, so that does 3 octaves. Oh. Okay. Let's try with 36 maybe. All the way to 60. Cool. And then I can play that. Perfect. Okay, so now I can try to generate little melodies, right? How do I want to organize the code? Do I just start by hard coding it? So one thing that's needed is the note length. So whole notes, white notes, everything. So by default right now the notes they're like that. I should stop closing stuff so fast. So those are all like default to 4. So I need to be able to append or prepend the note name and then also the note length. And I guess the note length should be part of this data. So get note name, you get the note. So rhythms. I could code it like that. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So this is like 1 over 1, 2. 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4. 16, 32, okay. Because eventually I want to do math so that things fit nicely in the measures. But let's wait before I do that. So int. So that could be a tuple int. Let's try that. With a name. So is that called... is that the note? Yeah, I guess duration of nodes. Oh, that's true. If I have a dot, so I can do like C4 dot, which would be 6. I guess 6, the 6 part would be written as 4 dot. I'll have to think about that, but for now, I'll just... Okay. So note, and then duration. Okay. They don't like that because the function is not right. Then the duration for now is 4, always. Okay. So now when I get the note name, Oops. I guess it's here. I can't do that. Wait. It's not a type of int, but it's int. I can't do it. Node. Duration. So is there not a better name? Node. Pitches. Okay, so it really is pitch. So a note is a pitch and a duration. Pitch. Let's go back here. Right note. Pitch. Pitch duration gives you a note. Maybe I should strong type it, but for now it's fine. Note, and then this is pitch, duration, gives you a note. Can I just use this? No, okay. Okay, that works. But now I need to add, so this returns a string name. For now, pitch is fine. Name, like that. So you just prepend the pitch. And the data follows, that's fine. And it's hard coded to 4. 60? Did I inverse it? Oops. Pitch. Oops, I put pitch duration. Perfect. Oop, what happened here? What? That is not correct. Why does it render like that? That can't be my fault, right? What? I messed up somehow? Oh, I put it... I need... Oh, okay. Beginner mistake, I guess. They were all wrong. I'm surprised it even rendered correctly almost. Okay, so now I have access to this. Let's try some fun little stuff. It won't look good, but let's just give it a try. It's int, so 1, 2. We don't like that. good enough. And then instead of hard coding 4, let's do... how do I forgot. I guess I don't have access to random right now. Let's put it here. Next, between 0 to... This is exclusive, right? Max value, but not perfect. What's that? That's an imperfect. Might look weird, I guess, but it's fine. Ooh. Can I listen to that? Even though it's probably not gonna sound good. It's not the worst thing I've ever heard. Okay. So I need something that can create valid measures. To create a valid measure, no, I was about to say the notes need to add up to 1, but that's not true for everything. Anyway, for now we're on 4/4. Wait, so let's say you're on like 4/6. It's already noon. I'm trying to think about it like if a note overflows, then you have the little, like let's say this is like that. You want to rewrite this to, wait, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, you do 4, that, and then D, that was a 2, so 2 dot, like that. I think I coded this faster like 10 years ago. But I'm making it more free this time. Okay, also, okay. So one way that I like to generate music, I wrote about it a long time ago. Number sequences. There was one to generate strings. But where's the one? List random. Okay, so I do like A. I forgot where I wrote about it. Enter. Separate line. Because in practice, you can make music from any random sequence and make it sound good. Let's do that. And then where the rule is like, go back. What? Okay. So you can do, you ignore a valid sequence, let's say, would be a number plus a letter. So these ones are ignored, 3, 2. And then there's 2F, which is valid. Then B is not valid. Then 1, then 4. So wait. Let's say I generate it like this. Oops. So that would be invalid, invalid, valid, invalid, invalid, valid, invalid, invalid, valid. Then this music would look like this. And then you would do a different rhythm. Let's listen. Hey. And then I think the algorithm would try to like match a key to those notes. Doing like some pattern matching type of stuff. So a music I composed using this idea was which one was it? This one, I believe. So I had like 2, 2, 1. Cool. So the goal would be to make Is it even better than that? So I have durations, and then I have an amount of space to fill. And then the space, I guess to have whole numbers, I take the fastest node that I have. Okay, okay, wait. 4, 4. Ah, man, I can't math. Let's just write it here. So let's say I have 4 by 4, 4. If I express it on 32, isn't that the same? This is correct, right? So in other words, if I have 4 nodes, this is like 1 divided by 4. Like that, so I get 4 of them. So I end up with 4, 4. I can rewrite those. Okay, wait. 32. Then 8. That's equivalent, right? Can't math. So 8. .25. That's correct. Okay. Why can't I math? Oh. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Divided by 1 equals 32. 32. So yeah, that works, right? So in order to pick a duration, I think I should reverse this. So I do 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, like that. Because 32 is an easier duration to place, because you can, if you limit yourself to those numbers, if the measure isn't filled, you can always put a 32. In other words, should I? No, I'll keep it like that for now. I'll do the math. Okay. Wait. How do I organize this code? It's not hard code either. Wait. So I generate a duration, but instead of going all the way to count, I go all the way to the max one that allows me to fill the measure. So let's say that my measure has a space of 32. And I guess 32 divided by 32, that's 1 over 32. That makes sense. Okay. Total, let's say it's an int because I can use whole numbers. Total, is it total time or do I do time left? Let's do that. Duration left. No. Let's just call it total. Then we'll reset it. It's fine. It starts at the okay. Wait, no, I can minus it. So it has. Maybe I call it max. 32. Oh, I guess I need to do the same. Let's say for the right hand and then the left hand. Let's do like right max. Maybe I should just do one at a time. Hit their code right. Okay, I'll do that. The other one, okay. Right max 32, and then so 32 is 1. Yeah, like you need one whole note to fill this. Okay. So how do I figure out the time left? It's so simple, but I can't write. Oh man, maybe I've been coding for too long. 2 hours? It's not that much. I need to have this. Okay, wait, let's just int total equals 32. This equals total. Now I can like, I guess I'll call this max. And now how do you call like something, how much is left to fill? Whatever. Essentially, I want to minus it all the way to 0, and when you're at 0, you reset. Okay. So 32, if I'm at 32, it means I have access to all of this. So how do I convert that into like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So in this case, when I have 32, this equals 5, this part. Let's say I have, let's do like minus 4. Let's say I have 28. Then you're allowed to go all the way, I believe, to 2, right? Okay, wait, let's put notes. So if I have 32, that's like I'm adding 1. If I have, that's like I'm adding 2. That's like adding 4. It's like adding 8. 16. 32. Focus. Max. Should I just do a thing? Wait. I mean, I could also just use this and then invert the fraction when I add it to the notes. That does work, right? So in other words, I do 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And then I divide it by my max. So in other words, 1 divided by my max. Or is it the opposite? The max divided by 1. That does work, right? Max divided by 2 gives me 16. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'll do that. Okay. So 1 is my smallest unit, pretty much. Over 32. And if I wanted to go like all the way to 64, I can do that and add 64 here. Anyways, I'll keep 32 for now, that's fine. Okay. What happens if I put log base 2? Can I like fill like the number that's left? Can I put that in a log and get the right one? What's the result of function? Log base 2 of, let's say 32. What does that give? It gives 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. If I put this 32, let's say I'm at 28. It gives me 4, which gets rounded down. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but this is inclusive, right? Do I need to do +1 then? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. +1. I think that works. So I do right max, fill that into a log, base 2. Okay, let's do max index equals dot log 2 of my right max. Okay. You don't like that because it's a double, that's fair. I'm allowed to cast to in, that's fine too. So if I feed, and then I need to do +1 like that. So that's my max index. I can put this right here, max index, and then I can do if max index is, I mean, should I use smaller? It should never be smaller though, so that's fine. If it's smaller than 10, then right max equals 32. Well, not 30. Oh man. So why am I so bad at total? Oh, it's not total, it's max. What did I do up here? Nothing, good. So if it's equal, you can just reset. So this makes it so that the notes don't overspill into the next measure. It won't stay like that forever, but for now it's fine. Okay, and now when I add this, I need to, what did I say? Invert it. So if I get 1 divided, it's 1, it's max divided by this, which I believe is fine, right? Let's get rid of left notes. Left notes is default to nothing, so that should be fine, I believe. Alright, what does that look like? Doesn't work. Why? Wait, how did I mess that up? Oh, because I don't subtract. Okay, so now I get a duration. 1. So let's say it's 1. I just okay. So now I can do right max. Also, this is wrong. Max index. Why did I do that? Right max. If it equals 0, reset it. Minus equals to the duration. Does it work? That's kind of funny. Let's go back and then let's only add this. I can't count. 8. That works. 1, 2, 3, 4. That works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does it always stay like that? I should have like whole like a mix of notes. Max index. Let's just breakpoint that, I guess. Four. 0, 1, 2, 3. So you picked 8. Oh. Wait, what did 8 mean again? 8 means a whole note. Doesn't it? 8 over 8 equals 1. 8. I need to keep this, right? I divided too early. There we go. That looks better. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of fun code right there. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's listen to the rhythm. Not bad. Okay, so now that code works, let's just re-add 16, 32. Should I generate this based on this? Then I don't have to like think about it. Okay, so now I have this. Let's look at it again. I guess I want to bias, right? So later. Or like maybe favor short, fast, slower notes. This could be a function. Oh, I also need something that adds dots, right? Also, how do triplets work? Triplets means you have 3 nodes, but it doesn't fit nicely into 32, right? So does this not work, this way of encoding? I had a song with triplets, I think. This 3, so this is 1, 2, 3. So these fit into 1. So what's their length? I don't think I can encode triplets with whole numbers, right? If I want to support triplets, do I need to multiply by 3? Wait, so 32. This is my quarter note. If I want a triplet that fits into quarter notes, I need to do times 3. Then I get a value of 12. So a single triplet would have a value of 4, right? And then a quarter note would have a value of 12. 96. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. What? They made it interactive? Oh, okay, it reveals the answer. That's funny. So does it mean this is the wrong way of counting? That was kind of fun code to write. So 1, 2, 3, these three fit into one quarter note. It takes a fraction and a piece of music. Dang, I wanted to keep this elegant code, but how do I make it work with triplets? Isn't it cool that you can just generate this and then a smarter program can just do this? Alright, I should go eat. Let's read this again. Not this one. Lily Pond takes two argument of fraction and a piece that is the number of tuplets. So let's say I have C 4. Okay. That's one measure. Let's say I want tuplets. So I can replace this tuplet 3, 2. Okay, that's correct. And what if I want a whole node instead? 3, 2. So would this be coded? So 3M. Is this correct? Let's say it's 4, 4, 4. It worked, maybe. Let's add another one. Okay. So 3 of those ended up filling this whole node. What am I doing? Wait. So this 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I got a triplet that's 3. Let's put that into 8. What happens then? Interesting. I need okay, step 1, I want to have a triplet that's a 4 beat. So what how do I do that? This whole thing is inside of a 4. Okay, in 3. Okay, am I? Wait. So let's say I do this, but with 4 instead. Okay. And then what about 2? Okay. So I got 3 notes. And then this seems like it worked, right? Four time, half note triplet. To do this in general, one must develop a feel for 4-3, 4 against 3. So that works, okay? So in other words, this, okay. So is this correct? Yes. And then let's say I want 4. Space that like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that works too. And then what happens if I do quintuplets? Let's do this again. Let's get rid of this. I'll keep this for now. And then if it's 5, 2, does it mean, oops, 2, C, 2, oh there's no need for a comma, what? That works. So I can put 5 whole notes to fill the whole beat. Let's say I had it wrong. Let's say like this. Okay, perfect. Okay. What am I learning about beats? This fills, so 5 of those notes filled a whole measure. So can I like invert? Because I was thinking about like the max. How do I keep it? How do I? Oh man, I can't think. How do I encode this value? Is it just times 5? So the 2. This is normally a 2 times 5 is 10. So with 10, each one would be counted as 2 beats to fill a 10 measure. I guess what I'm trying to figure out is like, can I get a nice number, and then when my program sees that number, it knows, okay, I'm gonna do a triplet. Or when it sees a different number, it knows, okay, I'm gonna use tuplet, quintuplet, or triplet, or whatever. Like this. Let's say I do 7, means I can add 2 more. Yeah. Or should I just ban this because it's kind of annoying? Yeah, I guess I should figure it, like if I want that figure it out later. If I get into some really fancy music sheets. Everyone's gonna hate counting that anyways. So maybe this should just be out of scope. If I represent my data as a fraction, maybe that would be better. Fancy. Man, Lillipon is just awesome though. Alright. So what I'm doing with this is I'm putting the numbers on a common denominator. If I allow floating point numbers, so like this here is like 1 over 32, 2 over 32, 4 over 16, whatever. And then should end the stream like that. to get a small melody, I guess, but it's getting there, maybe. So this whole thing is two. Yeah, well, I guess one single note here. Can you put a couplet inside? For example, this. Or are they unhappy? Or they don't care? That's fun. Oh, but it broke my count. Oh, because I removed true. Hey, you want to hear what my last version of this app was? How it sounded? Here's an example of that was 12 years ago. So there's a lot of key changes in this. Yeah. So that's roughly like the target quality. Anyways, I should go eat. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace. Not sure when my next stream will be.